Welcome to the AWS menu.
So there it has
1
created
EC2 services. 2 EBS volume. 3 key pair. 4 S3. 5 snapshot. 6 exit.
So let's go and launch a new EC2 instance. EC2 services.
Welcome to EC2 services menu. A. Launch instance. B. Show details of all instances. C. Show details of any one instance. D. Start instance. E. Stop instance. F. Terminate instance. G. Exit.
Launch instance. So here we have to give image ID. Here we are going to launch a new instance. Let me show you one thing. This is my AWS account, and here right now only one instance is running. Let's go to our menu. It is asking for image ID. So I am going to enter image ID for Red Hat. So this one is the image ID for Red Hat which I have used before. Okay, then enter key name. I will enter the new key which we have just created. Then enter security group. This is one of the security group which allow each and every protocol I have used before. So here I am using this one. Then enter instance type. Then I want instance type to be T2 micro. And boom, here my instance is launching. Message, it is pending and it is in the state of launching. So wait. So let's come here, and if you will do it refresh, then you will see we will have one more instance just within few seconds. So here we can see we have now 2 instances where it is initializing right now, and it's been started. Let's come here and let's see a couple of more services. So we have seen each and everything here, and similarly you can start this instance or stop this instance also. Let's go back and do some more services.
What can I do for you, sir?
Exit. Go and create an EBS volume. Here. So, EBS volume.
EBS menu. A. Create volume. B. Attach volume. C. Delete volume. D. Details of all volumes. E. Exit.
So let me show you one more thing. Like in volumes right now I have I think 4 volumes. Let's see in my account which are running right now. Yeah, 4 volumes which are running, and each and every one is in use. You can check it from here also.
What can I do for you, sir?
Giving wrong command. Details of all volumes. Yeah, this one is right. It's fetching details of all volumes. Here they are. This volume has been attached. This one is the second volume. No, they are the same one, and this is its availability zone. Let's see some more volume. We have details of all volumes. We have this volume is in this location. This is one volume ID. Let's see move and wait. So let's go and create a volume. So I'm going to create a volume. Create volume. So availability zone I will give AP South 1A because I have to attach this volume with my server in which all of these things are running right now. So that server which I'm going to attach this one, and this is running right now in AP South 1A. We can go to the instance detail, and then we can see that it is running in AP South 1A. So I have just entered it, and then just click enter. Then we'll enter the size of volume. Let me go with this one because it will be inside free time. Let's go and create this volume. Wait. So here we have seen that this volume in episode 1A data center has been created. This one is the volume ID. Let's see some more services like let's say delete volume. Delete volume. Okay, so volume ID, one volume is present with me, which we can delete, which I'm not using right now. Let's see from here, volumes, and if you want to delete one, then let's see, let's delete this one. This is a volume ID which we can delete very easily. Control C. So this volume will wait. So you can see that this volume has been deleted. Yeah, it's been deleted 4 of them here, and this one is which we have created just using 4. Wait.
A. Create volume. B. Attach volume. C. Delete volume. D. Details of all volumes. E. Exit.
Attach.
What can I do for you, sir?
Attach volume. Let's say it is the X3DF. X3DF, it would be right. Enter the instance ID which you want to connect the volume. So here we have one. Let's go up, and here on the main server I would like to use this one. Then we'll ask for volume ID. So we will go with the volume which we have just created. This one. Forward off one. This one is the same. Let me copy this. Okay. So this will attach. Wait. Okay. So this volume has been attached. It's been in the state of attaching, and it will attach within a few seconds. So if we will now click on details of all volume, then there we can see this. Let's go and do some more tasks. Exit.
Welcome to the AWS menu. 1 EC2 services. 2 EBS volume.
do some partition on the volume which we have just attached. So we have to just go back. Exit.
Welcome to the world of automation. 1 Hadoop. 2 Aws Cloud. 3 Webserver. 4 Docker. 5 Partition. 6 Exit. What would you like to do, sir?
Partition. So here we can create LVM partition, we can decide LVM partition, we can display details of hard disk and all. Let's go and display details of the hard disk. Hard disk info. So here it has printed the hard disk info. This one is a volume which we have just created, which is not formatted till now. This one is a volume, one more volume which I have attached to this OS, and this one is a base volume. So let's go and create partition here in this one. You can see the same name here it's got which we have given at that time. Create LVM partition. So create physical volume we have to create first of all. Create physical volume. Hard disk name is given us. So here from here we can copy the xvtx. Wait. So here one more thing which we can do is create volume group. So let's create volume group. Create VG. Create volume group. Just one PV I want to attach for now. VG anyway, let's say my new VG. Yes, enter. So here we have to enter the PV1 name. Let's say it is div SDF. So here my VG successfully created, volume group has been successfully created. Let's come here, wait. Just see if we will see few more options. Pause. Okay, so I want to pause this one. Command. So we have created physical volume, we have created volume group. Then let's create logical volume. Create logical volume. So enter VG name. So my new VG. Enter LV name, my new LV. This one we have created. Enter the size you want to LV. So our new volume is of 1 GB. So I will get only let's say 200 MB here. So logical volume, my new LV has been created, successfully created. Let's go back. So here we will do a couple of more things. After here we have right now we have created logical volume. Let's see and let's go format and then mount this partition. Okay. Pause. Format it here. This is format the partition. Format. So here we have to give the LV part, which is here. Let's copy it from here. Close here. Let's paste it here. And then format. So logical volume created, and if you will keep this, then we'll say that MKV to FS logical volume has been created. File system accounting and done writing means that our partition table has been created. So come back to our menu here. Wait. Pause. Pause. Okay, so it's been paused now. So here we have created formatted the partition. Let's go and mount this partition. Mount. So let's create a new folder. Here we can create a new folder. Let's see CMD. Let's see that it is CMD folder. Give LB path. We have to give again LB path, which is we have to give LB path. So let's see. Copy this LB path and let's paste here. So folder has been created and it's been done. Wait. Pause. So as we know, while creating folder, it didn't give any output to us. That's why it has given us a white screen. But we can validate it from. We can go exit first of all. Then we can see the mount table, and then here from there we can see that whether it's been mounted or not. Exit. So here we can see display all mounted partition. This one. Display details of all mounted partition. Okay, so it's display details of all mounted partition over here. This one is the name of our partition, and this is the folder name which we have given at that time. And we have given the size 175 MB, and we know 200 MB, and we know that there's a difference between MB and MIB. So here it's showing 190 MB only, MIB only. So we have successfully mounted our partition, and our partition is now ready to work. We have mounted. Here we can see display details of all physical volume, volume group, and logical volume. Let's see any one of them. Display details of all volume group. So it has display detail of volume group, that the name of my volume group is my new VG, and it is like this. So we have successfully completed this task. Let's go back and do more thing on our AWS cloud.